Imagine enjoying a beautiful day outdoors, hiking a trail or simply working in your yard, when days later an itchy red rash appears. What if a tiny invisible enemy from those plants managed to sneak onto your skin, causing that unwelcome reaction? It is a common outdoor challenge. Urushiol, the oily resin responsible for the itchy rash from plants like poison ivy, poison oak, and poison sumac, primarily gets from plants to people through direct or indirect contact. It does not spread through the air or jump from the plant itself. The good news is, armed with a little knowledge, you can easily avoid this common outdoor nuisance. The core mechanism behind urushiol transfer lies in its chemical properties. Urushiol is an oily, sticky resin found in the sap of poison ivy, poison oak, and poison sumac plants. When these plants are bruised, cut, or damaged, their sap-containing urushiol is released. This oily substance easily adheres to almost anything it touches, acting like a tiny glue that bonds to surfaces. This includes your skin, clothing, gardening tools, camping gear, and even the fur of your pets. It is incredibly potent and stable. This means it does not easily break down over time. It can remain as active and capable of causing a rash for years on contaminated items if they are not properly cleaned. Once it touches your skin, it begins to penetrate and bind to the skin cells. Your immune system then identifies this as a foreign invader, launching an allergic reaction that results in the familiar itchy rash. To prevent urushiol from transferring to you, always wear protective clothing like long sleeves, long pants, and gloves when working or hiking in areas where these plants might be present. After any outdoor activity, thoroughly wash all exposed skin with soap and water as soon as possible. Also, make sure to clean any tools or clothing that may have come into contact with the plants. Remember to wash your pets if they have been roaming through brush, as urushiol can transfer from their fur to your skin. A common mistake is burning these plants, which can release airborne urushiol particles in the smoke, causing severe respiratory issues and rashes on any exposed skin. A fascinating detail about urushiol is its extreme persistence. It can stay active and capable of causing a reaction for 5 years, or even longer on dead plants or unclean surfaces. This means an old gardening glove or a forgotten camping chair from seasons past could still harbor active urushiol and trigger a rash. Incredibly, it only takes 10 nanograms of urushiol, which is less than a grain of salt, to cause a reaction in about 80% of people. It is truly a tiny but powerful irritant. By understanding that urushiol transfers primarily through contact and can linger for a very long time, you gain valuable insight. This knowledge empowers you to take simple yet effective preventative measures. These actions will help you enjoy the beauty of nature without the discomfort and frustration of an unexpected rash, ensuring your outdoor adventures remain as pleasant and itch-free.